Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about ozone machines. These are basically a machine that sucks in air, electrifies it, and then it turns the oxygen into basically a free radicals from an O2 to a regular oxygen, single molecule. And then that free radical essentially takes or gives an electron in a process called oxidization. And that essentially is how it makes things smell better. So I used mine when I spray painted some branches, and I put them in my car, and then my car smelled of spray paint. I couldn't get the smell to go away. I thought I was going to have to get a new car, but I heard about these things, so I used this, and then I put it in the car. So you don't want to be exposed to it. You don't want to be in the same room while you're using it. So for a car application, it's great because you can put it in your car, set the timer, and then I have an extension cord. It basically runs here into my car. So I plug it in and it starts. You can run it for, this one goes up to 120 minutes, but usually 30 to 60 minutes is fine. And then when you come back, it's already turned off. You let the car air out. You don't breathe in any of the ozone, and then everything smells better. You can also use it, like right now I have some foam pillows that are pretty old and they don't have any smell, but I just wanted to clean them a little bit. So I put the foam pillows in the car, so the memory foam pillows. I'll run this for probably about an hour, and then I think that'll help keep the pillows clean. So the main thing with these though is you don't want to be in the same room when you run it. So it can cause a lot of lung inflammation. It's not necessarily poisonous. It won't make you pass out. It'll just make your airways inflamed, make you cough a lot. If you have asthma, it could cause an asthma attack, that sort of deal. So you don't want to be in the same room with them. You don't want to leave it in the room with your pet or any living thing. You don't want any food in there. You don't want to oxidize your food, that kind of thing. So let me know if you guys have any questions about these or any thoughts on them in the comments below. They're kind of controversial. Some people say they work. Some people say they don't. For me, it did work to make my car smell better. Saved me from having to buy a new car. But again, it's not like a miracle machine or anything like that. And there are some safety concerns. You don't want to be in the same room when you use it. So it's best to use like for your car. And hotels will use them to clean hotel rooms and things like that. But again, if you guys have any questions, comments, put them down below. And I'll catch y'all next time.